Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today really quick to show you how to make pretty much an aluminum wire ring. Now I am going to be using copper wire to do this design. It is a simple technique, and basically what I'm doing right now is I'm going to cut my wire. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire to achieve this look, and you're going to cut your aluminum wire 12 inches long. So you're going to need some aluminum wire. You're going to need a pair of pliers that's going to have a flat part on the inside, okay? Flat part on the inside. And your wire cutters, of course, you saw me with those. But I'm using my 3-in-1. My 3-in-1, these are cutters, these are flat nose pliers and round nose pliers. But you can also get yourself some flat nose pliers in between where it's flat. Okay, so basically the very first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take my aluminum wire. I'm going to start squeezing my aluminum wire just like this. Okay. Now this is a technique that I've showed you all how to do before, so y'all, you may already be familiar with this technique. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop, just like that. And I'm going to take and just apply a little bit of pressure to make it flat. Okay. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a spiral just like this with my ring. I'm going to apply some pressure as I go around, just like this. Just applying some pressure. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come all the way around I'm going to make another spiral just like this and bring that down just like that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure just like that. Okay. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is how your ring is going to start looking. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off for a minute. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my piece just like this. Okay. Mold it just like this. But then I'm going to take my pliers and just apply a little bit of pressure just like that. Okay. And especially in my bend, applying some pressure. And then I'm going to make a loop. So let me show you. Make this loop. Okay, you see me making the loop. I'm going to bring it, make it not as big, but not as small. And then I'm going to apply a little more pressure right here. Okay. And I'm going to bring it all the way over like this. And I'm going to keep coming. And I'm going to apply a little more pressure. Just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to continue to bring it over. Now, you're going to have to excuse me. I'm not trying to be out of the camera. And then I'm going to bring it over like this. Now, once I bring it over, I am going to start giving it a little more, just applying a little, squeezing it a little bit more as I come down. just like this. I'm going to roll that down just like that. Okay, and this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now I'm going to take and bring this down like this. Okay, I am going to apply some more pressure on my wire, just like this. And then I'm going to start bending it right here. Okay, start bending it. I'm gonna apply a little bit more pressure. I'm going to bend it and keep going like this. Okay. All right. And you want to come down about an inch. This look like this is about an inch. So I'm going to measure it just to see. Yes, that's about an inch. Okay, so you want to at least come down by about an inch. So I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure right here. Okay. And then I'm going to come and apply some pressure around the loop. Okay. And this is what you're going to have. And then I'm going to continue to, I'm going to wrap it one more time around. Just like this. And the reason why what I'm doing is as I'm applying pressure, it's getting stiff. So when I do this, it is making the aluminum wire stiff. Okay, so I'm going to bring it all the way down, and then I'm going to start molding it right here. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to apply some more pressure, just like this, coming all the way down. Okay, and I'm actually going to do it on the whole piece. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to come down, just squeezing it, applying a little pressure, because this technique gives it a different look. Okay, and there you have it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this right here, just like this, as you can see. Okay, all right, I'm going to come around one more time with another loop, bringing it all the way over, just like this. Okay, so this is pretty much what your ring is starting to look like. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to make sure I squeeze this one more time, and I'm going to make a loop right here. And I'm going to roll this down just like that. Okay, and this is pretty much what your ring is going to look like. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start molding it just like this, and bringing this over. Now you can make a decision on how you really want your ring to be, but this is pretty much our end result. But there are some adjustments that I'm going to make. So now you can wear this ring also, you can wear it a couple ways. Okay, you can wear it like this. This is one way you can wear it. You can make some adjustments, like I said, to really make it how you want it to be. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to roll this down a little bit more. Just like that. And I'm actually going to bring it and like I said, you can wear it any way that you would like. And this is another way you can wear it. You can bring this piece over like this, like that, and you can wear it like this. And the thing about when you make these rings, okay. The thing about when you make these rings, you making them to fit your finger, okay? Pretty much. You can wear it like this. So there are many different ways that you can wear and style this ring, however you would like it to be. You can bring this out a little bit, bring it over, or you can bring this piece up like this. You can put your hand in here and you can bring this over like this, and you can wear it like this. It's completely, like I said, one technique, but you have many, many different designs. Okay, so as you can see, I have done one technique, and I've made 4 different designs with one technique. And you can do this as many times as you would like. This is, I think I did this with copper wire. Yes, but this is aluminum wire, but the color of it is copper. Okay. So I basically just wanted to show you all another technique, another design that you can do. You don't have to have a ring manual, or none of that. This is just simple rings, okay, that you can make. They're comfortable, you know what I mean? You put them on, comfortable. All right, so with that being said, I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. I appreciate all of y'all support. Go make you as many as you want. Okay, the sky is the limit, y'all. And then you can take it off and you can wear it this way. The sky is the limit. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.